Actually, what is median? How we are going to solve the median sum? The meaning of individual series. How we can solve the median from grouped frequency distribution? So many questions are there. How I will solve these things? Oh God, how I will pass class? Mathematics is really making my head like a traffic jam. Hey guys, what's up? Are you fully tensed with how to solve median? Don't worry, I am there. I, Shurajit, welcome you all on Econometrics Day channel. आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं क्लास 10 का मैथमेटिक्स और आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं एवरीथिंग अबाउट द मीडियन. योर कंफ्यूजन, योर डाउट्स ऑल विल बी क्लियर्ड. तो चलिए बिना वक्त गवाए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now students of class 10, today we are going to study chapter 13 statistics, and from the statistics portion only we are going to study today median. And you were having so many doubts regarding median. Today we are going to solve all your doubts, all your queries. And today is the introduction part, that is part 1 of median. So let us know the concept of median. So first we are going to know what is this median, okay, or what is the definition of median. Clear? So for that I have written the definition. The median is a measure of central tendency. So what is? It is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation in the data. So this is very important thing. Middlemost value, okay. It is giving the value of the middlemost observation in the data. Like we studied mean. Mean is also a measure of central tendency. We studied mode. Mode is also a measure of the central tendency. If you have not watched the how to find out mean, how to find out mode, you can go and check in the playlist and you can see there. I have taught how to find out mean as well as the mode. Now we will understand the median. So median is what? It is also a part of the central tendency and it is giving the value of the middle part, okay. Any observation, any data is given, that data, the middle one is only the median. Clear? Now we will understand this thing only with the help of examples. And when we will do it with the help of the example, the concept will be more clearer for everyone. Now, suppose I take some examples, okay. Suppose one example or one sum let us do, okay. I will take or I will write one data, okay. So what is the data? I will take some numbers, okay. 7, 9, 3, 4, 8. Clear now? So these are the numbers. So it is data. So now how to find out? If I have to find out median, then what we will do? How we will do? Suppose I will arrange these numbers in ascending order or descending order. Either in one order, ascending or descending. Okay. Means ascending means what? Small to big. Descending means from big to small. So let us follow ascending order. So what I will write? Arranging in ascending order. कुछ नंबर्स मैंने लिया है, यही है मेरा डेटा. तो ये नंबर्स को मैं छोटे से बड़े तक अरेंज करूंगा. सो सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? 3 है, 3 लिखूंगा. उसके बाद कौन है? 4 है. उसके बाद कौन है? 7 है. उसके बाद कौन है? 8 है. उसके बाद कौन है? 9 है. हो गया अरेंजमेंट. नाउ आई विल सी हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 numbers are there. So in number of items are how many? 5. Now 5 odd है या even है? Means odd number ना even number. So obviously odd. तो जब odd मिलेगा तब मेरा फॉर्मूला मीडियन निकालने का डिफरेंट होगा. क्या होगा? Therefore median equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 th item. तो मीडियन का फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? n plus 1 by 2 th item. Now n is how much? 5 plus 1 by 2 th item. तो 5 plus 1 क्या होता है? 6 by 2 th item. और इसको काटेंगे तो हो जाएगा क्या? थर्ड आइटम. ओके, 3th नहीं लिखेंगे, थर्ड आइटम. अभी थर्ड आइटम क्या है? सपोज तुम्हारा कबर्ड है, ओके, और तुम्हारे पास अलमीरा है, उधर में तुम्हारा ड्रेसेस ऐसा करके रखा है, फर्स्ट ड्रेस, सेकेंड ड्रेस, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, एंड यू आर टेलिंग योर ब्रदर, तुम अपने भाई को बोल रहे हो अलमारी खोलो और लेफ्ट साइड से तुम थर्ड वाला कपड़ा लेकर आओ. हैंगर में कपड़ा है, हैंगर से थर्ड वाला कपड़ा लेकर आओ. तो ये फर्स्ट, ये सेकेंड और ये थर्ड. तो तुम्हारा भैया, तुम्हारा भाई क्या लेकर आएगा? ये कपड़ा लेकर आएगा. ये कितना है? 7. सो 7 इज द मीडियन. Clear? Now class 10 students, if I take one more example, suppose if I take one more example, so for that I need a data. So let me write here 5, 7, 2, 4, 8, 6. Clear? So now if I want to find out the median, what I will do? First, same way, arranging. So I will write arranging in ascending order. Ascending order we get. तो इसको अरेंज करेंगे. सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? 2. उसके बाद कौन सा है? 4. उसके बाद कौन सा है? 5. उसके बाद कौन सा है? 6. उसके बाद कौन सा है? 7. उसके बाद कौन सा है? 8. तो अरेंज कर लिया. नाउ n इज हाउ मच? n इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो 6 है. 6 ऑड है ना इवन है? इट इज इवन. सो इवन जब है, when it is even, the formula to find out median is different. Okay, so what is the formula? Formula is median is equal to, एक तो लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे और ऊपर में लिखेंगे n by 2 th item प्लस n by 2 plus 1 th item डिवाइडेड by 2. ठीक है, तो अभी इसको फिर से लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, 2 लिखेंगे. अभी n क्या है? 6. सो 6 by 2 th item प्लस अगेन 6 by 2 plus 1 th item. नाउ इसको काटेंगे, 2 3 जा 6, अगेन 2 1 जा 2 3 जा. सो व्हाट आई गॉट? थर्ड आइटम प्लस 3 plus 1 फोर्थ item divided by 2. Now see the third item. First item, second item, third item. Third item कितना है? 5 है. Clear no? Third item 1 2 3. Third item and fourth item is how much? 6 by 2. Now when we are writing 5 or 6, don't write th item. Third item कितना है? Third item is how much? 5. Fourth item is how much? 6. That only you write. So now 11 by 2, and if you divide, you will get 5.5, and that is the answer. So इसको ही बोलते हैं the middle most value. Okay, the value, which value? The middle most. Either you find out the median through what? When n is odd number or when n is even number, it will always give you what? The middle most value. Okay, and that is the middle most value is only known as what? Median. Okay, and this is the formula, odd or even median, for the individual series. So I hope, what is the formula of mean and median for individual? इंडिविजुअल सीरीज. सो इंडिविजुअल सीरीज में दो ठो है, एक ठो है ऑड, एक ठो है इवन. सो ऑड का फॉर्मूला डिफरेंट है, इवन का फॉर्मूला डिफरेंट है. सो ऑड का फॉर्मूला क्या है? n+1/2 एथ आइटम. एंड इवन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? n/2 एथ आइटम प्लस n/2 + 1 एथ आइटम डिवाइडेड बाय 2. That means it is divided by 2 means it is the average. Okay, you can see your book and it will be written as average of n/2th item and n/2 + 1th item. Okay, so when we find out average of two things, that time we will divide by 2. So I hope now the concept is clearer to you all. Now class 10 students, the concept will be more clearer when we solve more sums. Okay, now let us solve this sum. Find the median of the following data, which gives the marks out of 50 obtained by 100 students in a test. So there was a test, 100 students were there and they gave the exam, and when they gave the exam was conducted for 50 marks, and how much they obtained, okay, that is only given. Okay, marks obtained, those who got 20 marks, how many students? 6 students. Those who got 29 marks, okay, so how many students? 28. Like this the data is given. So when it is given, I have to find out median. Now you think that this sum is different from the previous sum. Why? Because here frequency is being included. Number of students means the frequency. Okay, so 2 columns are given, not only 1, 2 columns. So what we will do, this data only, what I will do, I will write it in 2 columns, okay, and several rows. So what I will write, marks obtained, and then number of students, STDS, and this is only frequency. But when we are going to write this data in the form of this way, that is 2 columns and several rows, we have to remember that we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So ascending order, see the marks, okay, which is the lowest one, 20, so that we will write first, and 20 is having how much? 6 frequency. Okay, so this is finished. After 20, which is the next highest one? 25. Okay, so 25, so 25 is how much? 20. Okay, then after 25, what is there? Not 28, so we will write 28, and it is carrying what frequency? 24. After 28, 29, 29 is carrying what? 28. After 29, what is there? Now 33. So 33, and it is having how much? 15. After 33, what is the next one? 38. 38, and it is having what? 4. After 38, what is the next one? 42. 42, and it is having 2. After 42, what is there? 43, and it is having 1. So the data I have converted in what? 2 columns and several rows. After this, the next step I have to find out is what? CF, cumulative frequency. CF means what? Cumulative. CF stands for cumulative frequency. Clear now? CF, cumulative frequency. Now cumulative frequency, how to find out? First one is 6, you write 6, then 6 plus what is the next one? 20. So how much comes? 26. Then 26 plus 24. So how much comes? 50. Next 50 plus 28. So how much comes? 78. Then 78 plus 15. So 78, how much comes? 78, 88, 93. Then 93 plus 4, how much comes? 97. Then 97 plus 2, how much comes? 99. Then 99 plus 1, how much comes? 100. Up to this much, I think it is clear. Now, when we got the cumulative frequency, then the last one, that is only known as what? N. That means if you add the frequency also, it will come 100. Okay. And this is also known as N. Okay. Or we can say it is what? Summation of the frequency, sigma f. Clear? No? But here we don't need this part. Okay. But still then I wrote it. So this is what? N, 100. So what I will write here? N is equal to 100. Clear? And 100 is what? Even. So 100, if 100 is even, then we will use the even formula for finding out the median. So what it will be? We will draw like this way. 2, we will write n by 2 th item plus n by 2 plus 1 th item. Now n is how much? 100 by 2, and then th item plus 100 by 2 plus 1 th item by 2. So this will cut, it will become 50, and this will cut, it will become 50. So what it is coming? 50th item plus 50 plus 1, 51st item divided by 2. Now the last step. Okay. Now 50th item, you see the cumulative frequency. 50th item is here. Suppose your roll number is 1, 2, 3. So you are standing like a roll number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. Then if your roll number is 7, 8, 9, you will come here in between 6 and 26. So if your roll number is 50, directly on this row, okay. So this row, if you are directly this row, if you go like this way from here to here, like this way, so it is touching which one? 28. So 50th item is what? 28. Then 51 or 51st item, that will be in between 50 and 78. So the arrow mark will be here in between. So once it crossed the third row, then it cannot go back. So we have to take the fourth row. This row we have to take it. And it is coming and hitting here. So which one? 29. So 51st item is 29. And then divided by 2. Okay. Now we will add these two. So 8 and 9, 17. And 1 carry 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 57 by 2. Now 57 by 2, if you divide, so how much it will come? 57 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry 7, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, then 0 will put because we are putting a point, then 2 5s are 10. So what you get? 28.5. And it is talking about the marks, and the answer will be 28.5 marks. And this is the median, that is the middlemost value. Clear? No? So this is another type of sum to find out median when frequency is given. Okay, understanding? Now we will understand another new concept of median, that is how to find out median from grouped frequency distribution table. Okay, so if it is grouped frequency distribution, then how we will solve it? So that time the formula also changes. Clear? No? So we will understand this formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF, that means cumulative frequency, divided by F, that means frequency, into H. So we are going to understand what is this, what is the meaning, okay, and how we will use this formula. Okay, but before that, now students, those who are new in my channel, if you like this video, if you like my channel, then I would like to request all my students to please give a like, share this video more and more with your friends, classmates and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because when you subscribe, it really motivates me to make more such interesting videos for you all. And also don't forget to press the all notification bell, ting ting, so that whenever I upload such videos, you are going to get the notifications first. Now students, if you have any type of doubts, any queries, then you can go to the comment section and you can tell me, and I will try to solve all your queries, all your doubts. Okay, now let us come to this formula, median formula for the grouped frequency distribution. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. So what is this L? How we studied the mode? L means the lower limit of what? Median class. That was modal class. Now this is median class. N means what? Number of observations. That means number of items. Okay. Cf, just now I told you, Cf means what? Cumulative frequency. But cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Preceding means before the median class. So we are going to get the median class, and in the median class also cumulative frequency will be there. We will not take that one. Before that we will take that only. Okay. Then F means what? Frequency, and frequency of the median class only we have to take. And H, previously in mode when you are doing, that time also you did, that is the class size. So this is the formula to find out median when it is talking about grouped frequency distribution. Now this grouped frequency distribution, unless we do one sum, the concept will be not clear. So let us move on to the sum. Yes or no? Akele hum, akele tum, to hum tum sang hai to fir kya gam. So students, don't think that you are alone. Always you are with me. You are connected with me. And don't feel worried, don't feel confused that there is problem or you are having problem with mathematics. We both will join hands together and understand each and every concept nicely, so that mathematics will be easier for you. Now we are going to solve exercise 13.3, and we are going to solve the last sum of this exercise. Now you will say, sir, why you are starting with the last sum? Why not with the first sum? Because the last sum is a simple sum to find out the median, because we are learning median. But the first sum is telling us to find out median also, mean also, mode also. Okay. So three things they are telling us. So that also we will do. But since we have started understanding the median, so let us do one simple sum first. And after that those sums, because all the sums I am doing for you all. Okay. So don't worry. Okay. Let us understand sum number 7. So what is sum number 7? The distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. That means here you have to find out the median. Okay. And it is telling what? 30 students, weights of 30 students. Okay. 30 students weight they are telling us. Okay. Now weight in kg, number of students. So 2 rows, several columns are given. So what I told you when I was teaching you the mean sum, the mode sum, that we will convert this table, this chart into 2 columns, okay, and then several rows. So you also take out your notebook and convert it in this way, and I will also do. Now class 10 students, I have written the sum in the tabular form, that means with 2 columns and several rows. Now what is the first duty? We have to find out, for solving median sums, we have to find out what? Cumulative frequency. That means CF, cumulative frequency. And already I told you how to find out. This is frequency column. So from frequency we will switch on to the cumulative frequency. So 2, so we will write here 2. Then this 2 plus, then here is how much? 3. So 2 plus 3, 5. Then 5 plus 8. So how much comes? 13. Then 13 plus 6, we will go on adding. Okay. So how much comes? 19. Then 19 plus 6, how much comes? 25. Then 25 plus 3, how much comes? 28. Then 28 plus 2, how much comes? 30. So we got 30, and this is only known as what? This is only called n, small n. Okay. So now we will write, therefore n is equal to 30, and then n by 2 equal to 30 by 2. So if you cut, it will be 15. See, 30, if you divide by 2, 2 ones are 2, then 1 remainder, then again 0 comes down, 2 5s are 10, and what is coming? 15. We will write 15th item. So 15th item is lying where? In the cumulative frequency. See, this is 2, then 5, then 1 is where? 1 is here upside. 1, 2, 3, like your roll number. If your roll number is 15, you will come and you will stand in between 13 and 19. Yes or no? So that means you are crossing the third row. So once you cross the third row, you cannot take the third row. You have to go to the fourth row, and fourth row is this one, and this row is only what? The median class. This row is only called the median class. So what I will write, since 15th item lies between cumulative frequency CF 13 and 19, it is lying between 13 and 19, therefore median class equal to how much? This one, see, 55 to 60, 55 dash 60, 55 to 60. Now we will put the values. L equal to how much? The lower limit, 55. Then n by 2 is how much? N by 2, 15. So we will write 15. Then CF is how much? Cumulative frequency before the median class. In the median class, the cumulative frequency is 19. Before that, it is 13. So we will take 13. Then F is what? Frequency of the median class. Of the median class, what is the frequency? It is 6. And next, the last one is what? H. H is the gap, 55 to 60. So 60 minus 55 is how much? 5. All the informations I got. Now I will put the formula. Therefore, median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. I will now put the values. Okay, L is what? 55 plus, we will draw a line, n by 2 is 15 minus 13 by downside is what? 6 into 5. Now 55 plus 15 minus 13 is how much? 2 by 6 into 5. Now you can cut 2 and 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So after this, if I want to do it here, equal to 55 plus, now this is coming how much? 1 by 3 into 5. So 55 plus 1 into 5, 5 by 3. Now 55 plus, now we will divide 5 by 3. So it will come what? 1.6666. But if you cannot do directly, you can do it in the rough. So see, 5 I will write, and inside 5, outside 3. So 3 1s are 3. Now 2 left, nothing. So decimal point 20. Now what comes? 3 6s are 18. Again 2 left, again 0. So 3 6s are 18. Again we will go, it will go with 6 are 18. So it will come how much? 1.66. Now 55 plus 1 point. Now after decimal, I want to take only 2 digits. Then the third digit is what? 6. And 6 is 5 and above. If 5 and above, then what will happen? The second digit, it is written 6. This, with this 6, 1 will be added. So we will write what? 1.67. And now 55 plus 1.67, if I add 55.00 and 1.67, so how much comes? 7, 6 point, then 6, then 5. So 56.67, and it is talking about weight in kg. So the answer will be in kg, and this is the answer. So I hope you have understood how to find out median when it is grouped frequency. So this is grouped one, weight 40 to 45. So practice these sums nicely, understand the concept, pause the video and then understand nicely, write it down and practice again and again. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं और एक अच्छे नए कंटेंट के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।